Most creators are stuck giving away tutorials, but the top 1%, they create demand. This is the outlier content pivot. If your content is helpful but not high converting, you have a demand gap. Let's fix that. The core principle of the outlier system. Your content shouldn't just teach, it should fundamentally create desire. The highest leverage content doesn't teach, it creates desire. It shows a world so clearly that your current reality starts to feel wrong. Let's look at the before, the exhausting reality most creators are trapped in. Imagine the anxiety of sending a proposal, then endlessly refreshing your inbox, waiting for silence to break. That's the current reality. Constantly pitching your value, justifying your price, and feeling like a commodity. Or endless discovery calls that feel less like sales and more like free, unproductive consulting sessions. Wasting time with clients who ghost after getting all your best ideas for free. That's noise content at work. Now let's paint the after movie, the aspirational reality signal content creates. Imagine a business where clients arrive pre-sold, where the conversation starts at layer 3, not layer 1. This is the after movie. A business where clients arrive pre-sold because your content did the selling for you. You're reviewing a calendar of only high-value conversations, not back-and-forth negotiations, where calls feel like confirmations, not persuasion, and your time is treated as the valuable asset it is. How does this happen? It's not magic. It's a psychological mechanism called the demand gap. When you describe this world of ease and authority, you're not giving steps. You're creating a gap between here, their current pain, and there, their aspirational identity. This visual contrast, this painful misalignment, is the motor of desire. It makes their current, exhausting reality intolerable. And that gap is demand, because people don't chase information they can Google. They chase transformation they can only get from you. You now have the framework to stop being a free textbook and start being a required authority. If your content teaches but doesn't actively attract and generate demand, it's incomplete. It's only doing half the job. Subscribe for Module 10. Where we build the complete outlier content engine to operationalize this system weekly.